Imagine you're standing on a cliffside in California or a busy street in New York, and suddenly, you aren't just looking at the sky, you are in it. This is the promise of the DJI Goggles N3, a device that has sent shockwaves through the drone community in early 2026. For years, FPV, or first-person view flying, was considered a rich man's hobby, or something reserved for technical geniuses who could spend hours soldering wires. But today, the conversation has changed. We are looking at the DJI Goggles N3, a headset that is being called the gateway to the skies for the masses. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But as with any budget-friendly revolution, there is a catch. Is this truly the future of accessible flight, or is it a clever way for DJI to lock you into their ecosystem while cutting corners on the tech that matters? Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to tear apart every single detail of the N3, from its massive 1080p ultra-wide screen to the O4 transmission system that defies physics. We'll discuss why the US market is currently obsessed with this specific model, how it handles the looming 2026 drone regulations, and most importantly, whether you should save your $300 or put it toward the flagship Goggles 3. If you've ever dreamt of flying but felt intimidated by the price tag, this video is the only guide you will ever need. To understand the Goggles N3, you first have to understand the box goggle philosophy. Most high-end goggles use two tiny micro-OLED screens, one for each eye. The N3 takes a different, bolder approach. It uses a single, massive 3.5-inch 1080p LCD panel. Now, on paper, a single screen sounds like a downgrade, but in practice, it's a revelation. Because it's a single screen, you don't have to worry about IPD, interpupillary distance. You don't have to fiddle with dials to make sure the images align perfectly for your eyes. You just put them on, and the image is there, sharp, bright, and incredibly immersive. But here is the real killer feature for the US audience, the eyewear-friendly design. If you wear glasses, you know the struggle of FPV. You either have to buy expensive custom diopter inserts or try to jam your frames into a tight rubber seal that eventually hurts your face. The Goggles N3 were designed with a glasses-first mentality. The interior is spacious enough to accommodate almost any pair of frames, and because of that single-screen design, the eye strain is virtually zero. This has made the N3 the go-to choice for the dad pilot demographic and beginners across America who just want to fly without a headache. Let's talk about the transmission, because this is where the magic happens. The N3 is powered by DJI's O4 system. In 2026, O4 will become the gold standard for reliability. We're talking about a 13-kilometer range in the United States under FCC standards. Think about that for a second. You could be sitting in your backyard and flying a DJI Neo or an Avata 2 miles away with a crystal-clear 1080p/60 fps feed. The latency is clocked at a staggering 31 milliseconds with the Avata 2. To put that in perspective, the blink of a human eye takes about 100 milliseconds. This drone reacts to your movements faster than you can think. But there's a controversy brewing. Critics are pointing out that while the O4 system can handle 100 frames per second, the N3 screen is capped at 60 Hz. Does this matter? For a professional drone racer? Yes. For the 99% of